Today we're making a Vietnamese bun cha with grilled lemongrass turkey patties. Bun cha is part noodle bowl, part salad, and a dish that originates from Hanoi in northern Vietnam. This is a great way to use ground turkey, and it really picks up the flavors of the lemongrass, ginger, and garlic. So let's get started making the turkey patties. I'm going to add onion, lemongrass, ginger, garlic, and lime zest. And now I'm adding brown sugar, turmeric, white pepper, and salt. And I'm mixing these spices into my ground turkey. When the mixture is well combined, form into 2-ounce patties and refrigerate for 30 minutes or overnight. Let's prepare the glaze for our turkey patties. Brown sugar, lime juice, and fish sauce in a small saucepan, and bring it to a boil. So boil for 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce reaches a light syrupy consistency. Turn off the heat and remove it from the stove. Let's go ahead and make the salad component to this noodle salad bowl. We've got some really nice fresh greens, julienne of cucumber, carrot julienne, fresh radish julienne, some red julienne of cabbage, and some beautiful fresh herbs, mint, dill, cilantro. So here we have a quintessential dressing for Vietnam. This is something you see on every Vietnamese table. It's called nuc cham. This has a mixture of fish sauce, lime juice, sugar, and fresh chilies. Oh, it's so delicious. And we're gonna dress our salad with that. So here are my turkey patties that I have refrigerated overnight. 30 minutes is fine, but overnight makes it super convenient for food service. And we're gonna grill those patties. What I really like about the ground turkey is that it really takes on all the flavors of the Vietnamese herbs, aromatics, and spices. Grill the patties until they're beautifully caramelized and they reach an internal temperature of 165. When they're nearly done, brush the grilled patties with the fish sauce, lime juice, brown sugar glaze. Now it's time to assemble our bun cha. We're going to start with a base of rice noodles, top it with some of the herb salad. We have a couple of crispy spring rolls, which are always fun, and our delicious turkey patties. Finish this with some chopped peanuts, and of course, some additional nuc cham. It's always nice to serve the nuc cham on the side at the end as well, in case anybody wants a little extra. Bun cha. This is a great way to use ground turkey.